Things that we talk about in our purchase and sale agreement. What's the property address? Who is the owner? How much is the purchase price? Are you having it assignable or not? And with your assignability clause, are you having it written in such a way where the seller is going to get a cash offer? What's going to be the specific closing date, if any? Is there going to need to be a consideration amount, so an earnest money deposit to the seller? And if so, who gets that deposit and when is that deposit paid? Do you have an ability to back out of the contract in the event that it's not a good deal? You've done your due diligence and you don't want it anymore. Are you including furniture and appliances or not? Also, what's your inspection period? And same thing applies for your assignability or your assignable contract. How much do they have to pay for their earnest deposit? What is their inspection period? Those numbers should be different and more in your favor than what is on the purchase and sale agreement. That way, if your buyer backs out last minute, you don't have to start from scratch.